Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am going to make this bracelet. It's going to be a full video. These are my templates that I will be using. I've talked about them in previous videos. Let's get into it. So this is the large one, and this is a pattern. I believe I got this one from Wiley, if I'm not mistaken. I turned it good facing down and I added the adhesive part to the back. And as you can see, that is where it will rest until I go and fuse the two pieces together. So I'm just going to use a couple wonder clips, and during my prep work, that's what I like to do. Go ahead and put them all together. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and iron, and I am using a heat press mini, and I have it on the highest temperature, which is about 400 degrees, so be careful. I just want to get a really good stick to it, and as you can see, it's similar to doing an bias fold. If you guys are familiar with that, it's plenty of people that are. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing at this point. I'm going to fold those pieces back again, and then I will fold it again. Yeah, did you hit that like button on the way in, friend? Did you hit it? That's all I want to know. Back to the video. But anyway, once I get that down really good, because I want to, get a good solid crease, I, got to be a little careful because this thing is hot. And I'm going to fold it one more time, and that's going to create my actual wristlet. It's going to be nice and thick, and it's going to be stable. Okay? So once I finish pressing this part, I'm going to go ahead and get my little clips and hold it together. And I'm going to sit it to the side because I was doing a batch order. But anyway, I'm going to sit it to the side. So when I put it on my machine, it's already pressed together and ready to go. So as you can see, I am just basically stitching about an eighth of an inch away from the edge of it on one side, and I like to start on the side that is open first. And I'm gonna get a little bit of that string off of there, and I'm going to do it again. However, I'm going to do it on the opposite side, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And once we finish with that, this is the finished product of that one. Of course, you got to cut your little strings off. It's no big deal. But this is what we're left with. I like to choose which side I want to go on the outside. And that's what I do. And I also use a couple clips on the side to hold it in place and stable. And this little nifty set I got, I'll link it below. I bought it from Amazon, and it was very easy to use and clamp everything in place. And this is a great project to do with like scrap fabric you have, or if you already have like an online business and you want to add another item. That's it.